All right, guys, it's time. You guys want to see how pretty it looks down there? Look at this. Look at this.
There's an old.
Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day. Happy Friday. I just got out of work. Those of you guys that don't know me personally, I work at a hospital overnight. So I just got out of work. I'm storing my scrubs. I hooked up to my checkmate and I just wanted to take her out for a rip. So right now, let me show you where I'm at here on my iPad. Those of you guys who are not familiar with this boat, I run everything off my iPad. So this has cellular service and we're right here. Let's zoom out a little bit. So you see South Florida, right? This is Boca Chica Lighthouse, is right there. I messed up. I left my house in a hurry. I didn't bring my glasses. My plan today is to get her up on plane and go to the back of the lighthouse and take her into the ocean. Yes, guys, I'm gonna take my 20-foot checkmate out to the ocean, to the lighthouse, Four-Way Rock Lighthouse. So that is located over here somewhere. Let's see where we're at. Right there. So my plan is to go to the lighthouse. Look how calm the bay is right now, early in the morning. This is why I look coming out at this time. Water super clear. I don't know if the camera does that justice, but enough talking, guys. Let's go. Enough talking. Let's go. Let's get her up on plane. We're on plane. I can't drive too fast. The sun is blinding me, so I gotta be more alert. Alright, so let's go to Cheetah. Now we're gonna hug the island. Trim down a little bit. A nice little private beach right here. The kids hang out in. Nice clear water. Look at all these guys fishing right here early in the morning on the channel. And in the distance, I can see the lighthouse.
Same old stone action. I can pass that bit like magic. I ain't capping, I'm lit, I'm active. Yeah, like 5 and it be like taxing. Yeah, I'm drowning this mill like Applejack. I slip it deep with taxing. Like, let's slam that bitch, that slap the slap. I'm happy. Roll that black from black. Got 9 problems. The bitch ain't one yet. Numbers don't lie, it's the aftermath.
Alright guys, so we're almost there. The lighthouse, I don't know if you can see it on camera. The lighthouse right there. It's a little bouncy. This is a 20-foot boat, guys. Thank God. The seas are flat. And look at it, it's still bouncing. I'm trimmed all the way down. I was doing around 30 miles an hour, honestly, before, but now it's getting a little choppier. But we're almost there, guys. You're about to see the most nicest water you're gonna see today. Promise you. That water is crystal clear blue. There we go, guys. We made it a four-way rock. You know what's real exciting for me, guys, is that today makes 2 years that I put in my transom. Right? Those of you guys that don't know, I completely redid this boat myself in my backyard. I redid the transom, the stringers, the floors. I painted it myself. The upholstery, I did it. These side panels I did myself. Put in those speaker boxes or speaker inserts. These boxes I made. The carpet. I ran everything off the iPad. This whole boat is made by me, by myself in my backyard. So the fact that my transom's 2 years old and it just made it out here, okay, in these rollers, okay, I am very proud. I am very proud. So this is Fallaway Rock, and I'm gonna get a little closer and I'm gonna put my camera under the water because I want you guys to see how beautiful it is. You guys want to see how pretty it looks down there? Look at this. Look at this. What I'm doing for you guys here. Thank God for a little boat there, right? Beautiful over here. Absolutely beautiful. And I'm still in my scrubs. The best part. This is after work vibes. I'm addicted. This is my passion, guys. This is literally my passion, is to come out here every single day. Every single day. So I need you guys to subscribe, like, comment, share, because I want to bring you guys along for my journey of every day being out here. Look at this school of fish, guys. Look at this school of fish. Look at that. Alright guys, just to show you where we're at. So we're in Fallaway Rock right here, and I'm thinking I should go show you guys how Stiltsville looks like. For you local guys to go boating every single day like I do, Stiltsville is nothing cool. Like, it's kind of cool. It's houses above the water. It's on stilts, houses on stilts. So I still find it kind of cool. I know my subscribers that are out of Miami are gonna appreciate this content. So let's go to Stiltsville. So Stiltsville is right here in this channel. Right there. This is all Stiltsville. So I'm gonna head towards this market right here, guys. And then we're gonna come back around and we're gonna go back to Black Point Marina where we started. So let's do it. This one burnt down about, I want to say 2 months ago, 3 months ago. Very sad. Very, very sad. But this is what it used to look like right here. Those of you who saw the movie Bad Boys 2, they made a scene in one of these houses. I'm not sure which one it is, but my luck is probably the one that burnt down or the one in the corner. I'm sure somebody in the comment section is gonna let me know. But look how cool this is, guys. Nobody lives here, nobody owns it. I don't know the history of it, but I know nobody lives here. Let's go look at the blue. We got another one over there. Guys, I apologize for the wind noise. Eventually I'm gonna get better equipment, I promise. But look at this beautiful house. Look at this. Imagine living here and having your speedboat and being able to go to work in your speedboat, living the life. Miami lifestyle right here. Miami colors. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's go look at the last house and then we're gonna head home, guys. Because I just finished getting off a 12-hour shift and I'm a little tired. I have some things I gotta do before the big run tomorrow. So remember, stay tuned for that. You're gonna want to. Let's go. This one looks like it's been completely redone. It has a new deck, a new dock, and it's nice. It's ready to fit a nice big boat in there. Super nice. I'm gonna keep my distance because with my luck, there's an official somewhere around here that's with his binoculars just waiting for me to get too close. So I'm not gonna get too close to the house, but it's a beautiful house. And we're gonna head home, guys. Like I said, I just got off work. I wasn't planning on being out here all day. I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to comment, subscribe, share this video to all your friends. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. You're gonna want to see it. It's gonna be my best video yet, I promise. Let's go.